Over the past few generations, these two brands has always been rivals. Today, we'll be talking about Ralph Lauren and the US Polo Association.
The main difference of the two is that the logo of Ralph Lauren has one player of the equestrian sport, whereas the Polo Association has two. Furthermore, Polo Association emphasizes the sport itself. Meanwhile, Ralph Lauren always wanted to feature lifestyle. In due course, for the love of the sport, Ralph Lauren, within a span of 2 years, spread out a line of menswear named Polo. And meanwhile, USPA then took notice of it as well. This has then led to the two to spark a dispute in the year 1984, when all became ill between the two brands as their respective logos seemed to have infamously caused confusion to the market and the public. Eventually, the two settled terms through the court of law on the use of their logos on select products only. At the end of the day, both of these brands showcased their brands for the sake of their love of the sport, which both of them had manifested throughout the years, and neither of them were restricted from expanding their business across the globe anyway. And with that, the word polo was used in innovative ways as possible, with Ralph Lauren using it for the sake of fashion and luxury style. US Polo Association, on the other hand, had manufactured sportswear, menswear, and products significant in the apparel industry.